Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can downgrade Android system app to previous version. So here, if you encounter error after upgrade your Android system, like a freezing, um, a buggy or laggy, or you cannot open some apps normally, it means after the update your system app is become unstable. So here, in order to downgrade, you can find so many methods out there, but I'm usually use this prevent the auto update first. So you can go to the settings, tap on software update, and then tap gear icon at the top of your screen and turn off the auto download. So please, you can enable do not allow, you can turn this on. And if you have auto update overnight, please turn this off. And after that, you can go to the application management, and here you can go to the application list on your phone, then wait for a moment and tap three dots at the top of your screen, or two dots like my device, and click or tap show system. Here system app will be appear. So here you can tap on Android system web view. So you can tap two dot or three dot at the top of your screen. Now you can uninstall these updates. And also you can try to find the software updates. You can scroll down until you find the software updates. This one. You can try to tap storage usage, clear cache, and clear data. Again, with the second software updates with S, you can try to store clear cache and clear the data. Now for the last, you can tap on system launcher. You can tap storage usage, clear cache, and clear data. So if you think this is not enough, or you still encounter some error, some issues, you can go back to the factory with the factory reset feature. You can try to open advanced setting or additional settings, tap backup and reset, and tap backup and restore. Here, if possible, you can try to back up first your important file like photo, music, video, and document. After that, you can go back and go to the erase all data and tap on erase all data or factory reset. If your device have reset system setting only, you can consider use this instead of erase all data. Reset system settings only. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click the button below. See you in the next video.